The term 6 degrees of freedom is used when discussing automated manufacturing equipment. At API, we give you the freedom to measure with both portable and automated metrology inspection solutions, performing 6 degrees of freedom measurements. Beyond metrology, we enjoy 6 essential freedoms in our daily lives, including freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom to assemble, freedom to vote, freedom of equality, and freedom of religion. But we know there are so many other freedoms you enjoy every day.
Freedom to assemble.
Freedom of the press.
Freedom to press.
Freedom to have coffee my way. More sprinkles.
Freedom to stretch.
Freedom to learn.
Freedom to teach.
Freedom to go fast.
Freedom to be daring.
Freedom to explore.
Freedom to break glass ceilings.
Freedom to dream.
Freedom to coach.
Freedom to play.
Freedom to try again.
Freedom of speech.
Freedom to dance.
Freedom to ride. Freedom to ride. Freedom to ride.
At API, we understand there are countless other freedoms in your life. Please share with us your most valued freedoms. And to understand more about API and our 6 degrees of freedom, visit apimetrology.com.